Hello, dear friends. I'm Dr. Mukesh Parikh. I have been running my own institute, English Cosmos, for many years now. And I vividly remember that when I was a research scholar, for some time, when I opened my coaching also by that time, just to earn money, one of my teachers simply was angry with me that I'm synthesizing knowledge. And that's why she simply stopped talking to me. And the reason of her anger was that I stopped attending certain seminars in the department, University of Rajasthan. And literally, I was crying standing there in the department. One of my teachers then consoled me. And today I realized that what was her message. Though I have been transferring this message to my students, and I assured her there and then that I am not synthesizing knowledge, I am literally generating it. So when I teach students for NET and JRF particularly, I find that rigor of research is missing. Many students call me after completing their JRF, even they pass for JRF, but they have no clue, no idea, like what to do next. Research proposals are not ready. So this academia, Indian academia, higher education is going towards a wrong direction according to me, because I feel that a good teacher and a good researcher are two different phenomena. What do you think? You can write in the comment section. A good teacher, I consider, is like breaking the knowledge and ideas into digestible things, and he should have or she should have a rigor to ignite the minds of the students continuously, whereas a researcher should have a patience to sit silently for years to do research. I still remember in one of my meetings at railway station, a teacher was about to retire, and she said that now this is the right time for me to do research. I have no clue why we people have been asking young minds to do research. You have to have a PhD. You have to earn your PhD first if you want a career in university as a teacher. Then you keep publishing, you know, uh, journals. You all know that publishing in journals is a kind of fake phenomenon in India. That incentives we get, that hike in the salary and all, so that predatory journals have evolved outside the universities. No real research has been done because ideas are not there. And then these apps have come, this chat GPT and all the other things. They are literally harming the mind. So write in the comment section that up to what extent my worry is you know reaching to you people, the young minds, those who want to produce original knowledge. Producing original knowledge is the whole sole purpose of doing PhD. PhD does not mean that something which is going in fashion. For example, disabled studies are going on. Everybody is doing research on that. Then LGBTQ queer theory is there. Everybody is just jumping into the bandwagon. Then a time was there, when I did my PhD, I had no clue why to do research on Canadian literature. Nobody told me what was the need to go beyond India and look into the society of Canada, where I never lived. I have no clue. I have a bookish knowledge of that, and that also took years to understand. So in this age of maturity, I am quite rather worried about the higher education of India, that this market is thriving day by day, but we are unable to. This NET and JRF exam itself, I consider, is a faulty. They should add certain things in these exams so that they can check whether the student is capable enough to teach in university. Because those who are watching me, those who know the people around them, that they qualify for NET, but they never go in a seminar, they never publish a research paper. And suppose they publish a research paper, the ideas are not of their own. And if they go into the seminars also, what miserable scene I have seen in universities these days, that they are not given the chance. Complete 20 minutes are also not given to the researcher, the paper reader, to read his or her paper. And sometimes many professors are there, they take no botheration to ask any question to the student, so that he or she can feel challenged with his or her ideas. So these ghost journals are there, blind peer reviews have gone out of fashion. Seminars have become just to show their dresses, and attending seminars have become lesser and lesser, and they are few and far between. In my time in University of Rajasthan, there were so many seminars were organized by the teachers, and suppose there was no seminar, even the teachers used to sit and used to discuss things. I still remember, like, some professor is reading a particular essay which was like Henry Bergson's essay somebody is reading, and all the professors are sitting, and I was the MPhil student, and I just poke my nose in between, and I used to listen to them. So all teachers, those who have retired either, or those who are not, they are no more now, they all knew that Mukesh was always present in all the academic activities. No, I was earning also. I was part time doing in a college, working in a college. I was running my own institute just to earn money. But I never ever got rid of this academic atmosphere, that breathing. Oxford in Vacation, you must have read that essay of Charles Lamb. That curiosity should be there, that in vacation that person is just breathing the air of university, empty university. But I see that students don't go to universities these days, and this semester system is a big nuisance. How many of you understand? How many of you really think that I am thinking in the right way? Might be that you people, those who are the new generation, can correct me in certain things, but my worries are still very fresh, and I consider that every teacher should not be forced to do research, and every researcher should not be forced to teach. We should have some separate ideas regarding these two things. If I am wrong, then show me that are there many names from different universities who have become the worldwide names. And if certain names you hear, they are all in the Western universities, they go from here. So the concept is that, why I just came to make a video on this, because I read an article somewhere, and I found that literally, when I teach in my net class also, I become in the mood, I come into the mood of discussion, and I find that students are really interested in the discussion. But the thing is that they are postgraduates, but they lack ideas. So kindly write in the comment section that up to what extent you see that my worries are in the right direction. Thank you very much.